Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnava.
Chant japa throughout the ceremony. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Govindam Adipurusam Tamahang Bhajam. These birds, Angani Jasya Sakalendriya Vrittimanti, we have explained. Next verse is Advaita Achyuti Anadi Ananta Rupam. There are 36 verses in this record. We have chanted only 3 verses, 3 or 4. So, the next verse is Advaita Achyuti Anadi Ananta Rupam Adyam Purana Purusam Navajovanancha Vedeshu Dullabhaya Dullabhayatma Bhakto Govindamadi Purusam Tamaham Bhajam. Krishna, he has got multi-forms. We are also Krishna's forms, Vivinnangs. There are 2 categories of forms, Krishna's. Vishnu Tattva and Jiva Tattva. Vishnu Tattva, a Krishna person, and Jiva Tattva, separated personalities. So the Jivas, they are also Krishna's forms, Vivinnangs. They are called Vivinnangs. So just imagine the living entities, innumerable forms there are. That is conditioned living entities. Whatever we see within this material world, that is only a fragment part of all the living entities. The major portion of the living entities, they are in the spiritual world. They are called Nitya Mukta, ever liberated. And we, in this material world, we are Nitya Baddha, ever conditioned. Besides that, Krishna has got Vishnu Tattva form, personal. Vishnu Tattva form means that one form is as powerful as the other form. In the Vivinnansa form, we are not as powerful as Krishna. But there are forms of Krishna who are as powerful as Krishna. Deepachirevahi dasantaram abhupit. Just like you take this candle and you light on another candle, but all these candles are of the same power. Although the original candle is there. Similarly, Krishna is the original Supreme Personality of Godhead, and there are innumerable other forms of Godhead also. But they are as good as Krishna. Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Avasishyate. The potency of the Supreme Personality of Godhead is so great that if another Godhead is expanded, both of them are of the same potency. Therefore it is Advaita, Achyuta. Achyuta means who never falls. Living entities, although they are forms of Krishna, they fall down. Just like our present position is fallen condition. We are in the matter. But the personal expansion, they never fall in the matter. Therefore, another name of God, Krishna, is Achyuta. Achyuta means never falls. Advaita Achyuta Anadi. Our beginning is from God, but God has no beginning. Anadi. Advaita Achyuta Anadi. Ananta Rupam. Although the forms are many, millions and trillions. Advaita Achyuta Anadi Ananta Rupam Adyam Purana Purusham. Adyam, original. Therefore the oldest person. Krishna, God is the original person. Therefore the oldest person. Is still Navajovanancha, but still he is always youthful. Vedeshu Dullabha. To search out Krishna by academic education, by mental speculation, by pursuits of different types of knowledge, is not possible. Advaita Achyuti Anadi Ananta Rupam Adyam Purana Purusham Navajaumanam Vedeshu Dullava. You cannot find out Krishna by simply academic education. Adurlava Atma Bhakto. But he is available from his devotee. Atma Bhakto. If you approach a devotee of Krishna, he can deliver you Krishna like anything. Here is Krishna, take. Krishna is so nice, he becomes a doll in the hands of devotee. He agrees. Just like before Mother Jasoda, he was trembling. Mother Jasoda showed him the cane. So this is Krishna's merciful pastime, that he becomes very easily available to the devotees. Otherwise it is very difficult to find out where is Krishna, how is Krishna. So our process is therefore to go through the devotees, not directly. Directly one cannot understand what Krishna. Vedeshu Dullava Adullava Atma Bhakto Govindamadi Purusam Tamang Bhajami. We worship Govinda, the original personality of God. That is our business. Now we can